Let me show you how you can create full studio quality song, the one that can actually go viral using just AI. Now, you don't need studio, you don't need mic, you don't need singing experience. All what you need is your laptop and your mobile phone. But before we proceed, listen to this.
I dey walk on my own lane, jaja. No dey find go stress my head, oh. Life no balance, but I go balance am. I no get best, but I dey.
The crazy part is that that sound was hastily produced and in less than 4 minutes. Now, let's see how we can achieve this. The first thing is to organize your lyrics. So what I do is that I just go to ChatGTP and tell ChatGTP to organize any lyrics, or I can choose to tell it the content of the lyrics or what I want inside the lyrics. So it depends on you. So as you can see, this is what I pasted in ChatGTP and this is what it gave to me. I've already copied it, as you can see. We don't have the time to go through all. So after ChatGTP have generated the lyrics, you can on your own do some adjustment. You can copy it to Microsoft Word and remove some words or change some words, depending on you. Then after that, which is the major part, you move to suno.com. So my Suno website is opened here already, right? So when you get to suno.com, you look for create, which is at the left hand side here. When you click create, let's wait. It will prompt you to log in or to register. So for me, I've registered, but I just decided to do it as if I've not registered. And I also used an account that I didn't use to subscribe to suno.com so that you will understand it as a newbie. So now I'll click my Google. Let me register with Google. So I've actually logged in using my Gmail account, and as you can see, this is my username. Then this is the screen. Now you have simple, you have custom. Now what you have to do is that for this simple, if you click simple, if you are using simple, what you do, you just describe your song and Suno will help you generate it, right? You will do it automatically, but for me, I prefer using custom. So I'll just come to custom and I'll paste my lyrics. So now in place here, you see auto, you see write lyrics. So I'm using write lyrics because I want it to use exactly what I give to it. So after pasting your lyrics, you come to the style. So now the style is asking you, like, maybe you need Afrobeat or you need hip hop, or what style of music do you need. So what you do, you check here if you can see the style. But in most cases, I don't used to see Afrobeat, though sometimes I see it. But what I just do, without wasting time, I just come here and type or paste. Okay, type Afrobeat, Yoruba talking drum vibes, and Nigeria rhythm. If you want brief description like this, if you are not sure of it, depends on the style of the music you want, you can go to ChatGTP and describe, and it will give you a very short description so that you just paste it there. So after we've done that, you can enter the title of the song. Let's say Naija Flow. That's the title of our song, Naija Flow. So after typing that, you just go to create. So when you click create, we have to wait. So we have to wait. So now our music is ready. And one beautiful thing is that we have two versions. We have the first one and the second one. So let's click and see how it plays.
I dey walk on my own lane, jaja. No dey find go stress my head, oh. Life no balance, but I go balance am. I no get best, but I dey bruise my leg, oh. And they don't make them they talk. As long as money they enter my sock. No wahala, I know they vex. Every happy lesson, I just a flex. Can't bless my hustle, no be small. People forgot that rose could go. All on Naija go to shine. Every day now my own Valentine. No they carry a hand for head, yo. She be left now one, I beg you make the flex, so. Joti money, mama lo jaye long. Now enjoyment shop, pass, my guy no dey vex, so. No be by force if you know like tomorrow. Now my time no dollar they on code. If you see me they smile like boom boom. Now my this on my they change at the groove. I no go stress over waiting no move. If that fake love I better come out for my room. I dey vibe with my people. Small jump, big drinks, steady ripple. She said she like my steez. And natural cruise, I know they forces. Oluwa ló ń gbé mi sókè. Kò sẹ́ anybody wey fit block my way. I go dey dance, I go dey sing, make this happiness no dey end o. No dey carry wahala for head o. Ṣebí life na one, abeg you make we flex o. Lówó tí mo ní, mo máa lọ jayé lọ. Na enjoyment sure pass, my guy no dey vex o. Ayakata, ayakata. No be by force if you no like tomorrow. Bella, bella, bella. Na my time no dollar dey on road. It don't show. If you no jolly, man, you sabi o. Na the good life, you dey chase, no look back. Omo Naija, we go run now.
So let's see the second one.
Yeah, and I jump up with this, so you'll be fine. Just want your love. Oh yeah, sound down. I do walk on my own lane, jeje. Don't define who to stress my head, oh. Life no balance, but I go balance. I look at best, but I dey cruise my leg, oh. Then they me get it talk. As long as money they enter my sock. No all on the vex. Every day I'll be blessing, I just dey flex.
So you see, but one beautiful thing is that if you're not okay with the two music that is produced here, you can click create again and it will give you another sample. So sometimes you have to like click create for like 3 to 4 times until you get the one you are really very okay with. So this is how we can create full studio standard music with Suno.com. Now there's more to it. In our next video, possibly, I'll be showing you how we can edit part of our music. That is some of the new features with Suno company. They have come up with new features that we can use to make us feel like as if we are in the studio.